Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, it's going to be different varieties what we are going to see. We are going to see some lovely linen collection. In that, it's going to be work sarees with small chunky works with a lovely contrast blouses, and we are going to see some Bhagalpuri sarees. These sarees are going to be really simple, easy maintenance sarees where it's just a simple hand wash is enough for these sarees. No starch, nothing is required. Beautiful sarees we are going to see today. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's see the fabulous, beautiful sarees. This is a very beautiful cotton linen material. Both the sides silver zari, and inside that we have a beautiful sequence work which has been weaved throughout the saree. I'm not too sure whether you could see it, but you have the very beautiful sequence work which has been completely weaved inside the saree. It's a weaving, beautiful one, and on the corners we have a beautiful crochets. And this is the pallu of the saree with crochets and a very beautiful contrast blouse in brocade, silk brocades. So this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1300. In the same pattern, it's a dark green with red color combination. Very beautiful small sequence work. When you wear it and all, it will look really pretty. More of a very beautiful subdued design for parties and all. These kind of sarees will look really pretty. And this is the blouse of the saree in contrast red with gold foil prints. So this is the body of the saree. Very beautiful one with crochets in the corner. That's a dark green. The next is going to be a beautiful yellow with green color combo. This is more of a fenugreek shade, so I'm just showing you a closer look so that you could see the sequence work. These sequence work are completely hand stitched ones with the beautiful crochets on the corners, and the blouse is in contrast green. This is the blouse of the saree. It's a silk material. In that you have foil prints, gold foil prints, and the price of this saree is 1300. The next combo is a very beautiful grey, light grey. You could see the sequence works, and you have crochets in the corners. Looks really pretty. Very beautiful grey, very subdued designs. Whoever like simple ones will love this saree. And the blouse of the saree is in contrast black with gold foil. Beautiful saree. The next color in the same pattern is a very beautiful brown, and the crochets in the corners are in mustard, and you have the silver zari borders on the corner. Very beautiful saree. Very different sarees. These are going to be really exclusive sarees. And the blouse of the saree is this in yellow with foil print. Beautiful one. And the price of this saree is 1300. The next combo is a very beautiful violet with pink. More of a dark grapes color, wine color. Looks really pretty colors. See how beautiful the color looks and the sequence work. The flow of the material is very nice. And the blouse of the saree is in pink with foil print. Beautiful one. Very pretty one. And the price of this saree is 1300. It's a beautiful black with pink again in the sequence pattern. You could see the sequence. Very beautiful sequence which is being stitched inside. So it will not come out. Very beautiful. Look how beautiful the saree is. Very pretty saree with silver zaris and pink crochets in the corner. And this is the blouse of the saree in pink contrast. Very beautiful saree, and the price of this saree is 1300. The next color in the same is going to be a very beautiful off-white with pink. See how beautiful the colors are. It's more a party wear sarees. Looks really pretty. Very pretty sarees with small pink crochets. And the blouse is this, a beautiful contrast blouse a silk blouse in that gold foil prints. And the next is going to be a very beautiful navy blue with maroon. Very subtle combination, very class and subtle combination. Beautiful navy blue with maroon crochets, and the blouse of the saree is in maroon with gold foil prints. And the last combo is going to be maroon with navy blue, the vice versa combination. So this is the body, and the blouse of the saree is this in navy blue. Very beautiful one, and the price of this saree is 1300. This is a beautiful Bhagalpuri silk saree, a very soft and a very flowy material. Whoever loves flowy material, it will be a very ideal one, but it will not completely stick to your body. It will be very nice material. Both the sides we have a thread border, a very beautiful thread border, and a Pochampalli design running along the body of the saree. A very beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is again in Pochampalli design. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. This is a beautiful Bhagalpuri silk saree, a very beautiful ikat pattern design with on the corners thread borders. Beautiful flowy material. This is brown and pink combination, or brown and maroon combination. Lovely design, very subtle shade. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, a beautiful blouse, and the price of this saree is 1080. A beautiful design, a light rust with a black combination. What a lovely combo. The borders are in thread weaves. You could see it's a very beautiful flowy material. So this is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree. A beautiful pallu with a very lovely contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. This is again a very beautiful Bhagalpuri silk saree in that grey color ikat pattern design. Both the sides we have a lovely thread border, and this is the body of the saree. Beautiful design, and this is the pallu of the saree. A very beautiful pallu. It's all Pochampalli designs, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. This is again a very beautiful color combo, a lovely design in the Pochampalli pattern. Both the sides we have a contrast thread borders in black, and the body is in very beautiful color combos, the Pochampalli pattern. And this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. It's a beautiful again a light pink color. The base is more of a light baby pink, and inside that a very beautiful combination in grey and pink. Both the sides we have black thread borders. Beautiful pattern, very beautiful design, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this beautiful contrast blouse, and the price of this saree is 1080. In a Bhagalpuri silk, it's a beautiful kalamkari pattern. Both the sides we have a small zari borders. It's a very small thin lines of golden zaris, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari pattern. Very beautiful design, and this is the pallu of the saree, all digital prints, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. This is a beautiful chocolate brown, light chocolate brown pattern in the kalamkari design. Both the sides golden zari, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari design running along the body of the saree. Lovely designs and beautiful combos, and this is the pallu of the saree. These are all easy maintenance sarees. You don't need to starch, nothing, just simple hand wash for these sarees. And this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. This is a lovely light fawn or a khaki color kalamkari pattern in the Bhagalpuri silk. Both the sides we have golden zari, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari pattern. Very pretty prints. What a intricate designs. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1080. It's a beautiful dark elaichi green kalamkari pattern. Both the sides golden saree, a very lovely design, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari pattern design running along the body of the saree. Lovely pattern, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this beautiful blouse, and the price of this saree is 1080. It's a lovely Bhagalpuri silk, in that a very pretty kalamkari pattern. Both the sides golden zari border. You could see the border. It's a very simple border. It's all weaved border, so there's nothing in the back. All digital prints. So it's a very beautiful print. It's really class. Perfect office wear or small function wear sarees. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of this saree is 1080. This is a beautiful light brown shade kalamkari pattern Bhagalpuri saree. Both the sides golden zari border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful kalamkari design running along the body of the saree. A pretty one. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is this in stripes pattern. And the price of this saree is 1080. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.